Hi everybody, this is Ms Fran and welcome again to another video class. In today's last class of our Thursday giraffe, we are going to be doing some PE. Do you remember that PE from now on will be special? Yes, because we will not be doing PE, but we're going to be doing some implements to do PE. Remember last class we did the rings with the cylinder and we started to throw the rings? Okay, today we are going to be doing a basketball hoop. You want to try? Yes? Okay, so we, for this class, are going to use all the recycled materials that we have. For example, I have this. This is a construction paper folder that it's empty, as you can see. So I'm going to use it for the base of my basketball hoop. I'm going to use also, I have here, red painting to paint it, obviously, a paintbrush, and also paper. So this is paper from the previous activities that I'm not going to use the cut paper that it's left aside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them all together, okay? So go grab your materials and let's get ready to start. So the first step is to cut. For this part, we can ask the help of mommy and daddy because this is a bit tough for us. So, and we need to do it very carefully because we're going to use the full side. So be careful with, oops, whenever you cut. Okay, I have one part ready. Now I'm going to cut this one right here. I'm going to show you like this. Once we have it this, we can open it and then cut it in the middle. Okay, we are going to use this part, and we can save the other part for future activities. With one marker, I'm going to do lines. So the first one should be a bit bigger, like this, because this will be the ring. You see? And then what we're going to do is this. We're going to fold it. I'm going to cut now this part. Like this. And I'm going to save this. Now I'm going to do the same. I'm going to draw some lines, but thin. So we have one line like this. Oopsies. One line. Two lines. Three lines. And four. So you see, it is okay if they don't look like straight lines. We are here all about the fun. So Now we're going to cut. There we go. We got one, and we're going to put it here on the table. I'm going to cut the other one as well. We have 2 lines. Like this. Three lines. And how many are we missing? How many? Oh, 1. Okay. Like this. And this is 4. As well, I'm going to cut this part a little bit like this for us to hold the ring. Okay, now I'm going to take my stapler. This is another of the materials that we're going to need. You can also use glue, or you can use a hot silicone gun. That it's hot silicone, but it's very dangerous. And since it's hot, oops, I'm back. We can burn our fingers. So it is better to use a stapler and say, Mommy, Daddy, can you help me? Can you do that? Okay. I'm going to put this part in here, like in the first part here. And I'm going to use the stapler. 1 and 2. Now I'm going to make like a kind of circle, and I'm going to put the other beginning in the base, and I'm going to, and it's going to look like this. So this is a good size, so we can fit all the basketball balls that we're going to make. And now you're asking, but Ms Fran, what are we going to do with the other stripes? We are going to do this. Have you noticed that the basketball ring has some wool? Looks like a wool. It's like a net. We're going to do that with paper. Remember that we're doing all this with recycled paper. We're going to cut them in half, all of them. I have them right here. It's easier when you put them all together like this, and you make a cut in the middle, like this. Is in the middle? Yes. Now, with the stapler, we are going to attach this. Always use the white part to the outside because it's easier to color them. 1. We're going to make our net. 2. Like this. 3. And 4. So we have something like this to one side, to this side. Now we're going to do the other ones. 1. It's going to look great. 2. See? Looks fantastic. 3. And oh, I'm missing 1. There you are. Give me 1 second, I will go get it. Whoop. I'm back. And here. I'm going to put it here. The last one. So in the end, we're going to have some sort of net that it's lapping, and I'm going to add some more staplers. Okay, so I'm going to show you once I have it ready. So here I have it. You see, I put some staples here and here and here and here for the stripes to hold, and it's going to look something like this. You see, looks like a ring with the net. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my paintbrush. I'm going to dip in red painting. You cannot see my red painting because I have it on the table, but look, I have it here. I'm going to show you, and I'm going to start coloring. I'm going to put color everywhere but in this part, because this is going to be used for us, by us, to hold the ring. Okay, and here we go. We paint, paint, paint. You see, everywhere but this part for us to hold the ring. I'm going to be dipping in my red painting, and I'm going to paint the net and the ring. Like this. I hope that you like sports, and in the end you use this ring every day to practice your PE exercises, or you do your basketball shots, as you wish. Okay, so now I'm going to finish coloring this, and I'm going to show you how it looks. Okay, so here I have already painted it. Look, it's still, I need some parts to dry out, but this is how it's going to look, more or less. What I'm going to do now is the following. I'm going to put it on my table, excuse me. I'm going to take some of my tape, and I'm going to do a circle, let's say, like this, with the sticky part to the outside. For this part, we say, Mommy, Daddy, can you help me? And I'm going to put it here at the back. Once I put it there, I'm going to maybe put it on the wall. I'm going to put this here in my whiteboard, and it's going to look something like this. You see? Now, I'm going to take the ball that we made with the paper. Remember that here we have many paper that we don't use anymore, and instead of throwing it away to the rubbish bin, we're going to use it. So I'm going to make a ball. Maybe if you want, you can put some tape, this white tape, oops, white tape on the outside for it stay as a ball and not open. You see, like this. I'm going to go in circles and circles and circles, and then I'm going to squish, 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 and we have a ball. Now all we need to do is have fun. So I'm going to have my ball, and I'm going to score. So I hope that you are enjoying these lessons on how to do games or activities or implements for our PE lessons, and have fun. Show me a video or a picture if you tried at home, and then we can share it with everybody, and maybe they will feel that they want to do it too. So have fun playing your basketball games, and see you in the next class. Bye bye.